Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution on benzene ring. Okay, mechanism of electrophilic attack on benzene and formation of pi complex and sigma complexes. Pi and sigma complexes, how these complexes are formed during the electrophilic substitution in the benzene ring. We discuss about this topic in this video lecture. So before starting the video lecture, I would like to say that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. And you know, this video is going to be very interesting, so watch this video up to the end. Okay, so let's start our discussions about this topic. At first we discuss about the formation of pi and sigma complex. Okay, when electrophilic attack is on benzene takes place, electrophilic attack takes place on benzene ring, that time this pi complex and sigma complex, both the complexes we found. Okay, we can find this we can find these two complexes, pi and sigma complexes. We discuss about this. Look at this picture, and this is the sigma complex which is formed during the electrophilic substitution reaction or electrophilic attack on benzene ring. Okay, similarly the pi complex can be formed like this one. Okay, I discuss about the sigma and pi complexes separately. Right now, at first we have to understand what is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction means when an electrophile replace the one atom or group of atom. That time we call the substitution reaction as electrophilic substitution reactions. Suppose in this case this is benzene, and benzene, the one hydrogen atom of the benzene is substituted by the chlorine atom. So this is one example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, here in this case the electrophilic attack on benzene, in this benzene compound, this electrophile from this mixture, the Cl2 and FeCl3, the electrophile Cl plus is produced, and this Cl plus replaces the hydrogen atom of the benzene to form the chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene, and benzene to chlorobenzene production or preparation of benzene to chlorobenzene, this one is an example of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and in this video lecture we discuss about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. So at first you have to know what type of reactions are called electrophilic substitution reaction. This type of reactions are called electrophilic substitution reactions. You can see the electrophile Cl plus is substituting the hydrogen atom of the benzene to form the chlorobenzene compound. So this is an example of electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene. Now we have to see that what are the steps, what are the mechanisms, mechanistic steps for this formation of substituted compound. Okay, at first for electrophilic substitution, electrophile is developed or generated. As for example, if we take about the chlorination on benzene, chlorination on benzene, giving an example, we try to understand this electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. Suppose we talk about the chlorination on benzene. In this case, benzene is taken with the substance chlorine in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst. Okay, this is a catalyst. This is a catalyst. Here benzene and chlorine both are non-polar. This one and benzene, chlorine and benzene both are non-polar. So this catalyst will polarize the chlorine molecule to produce the electrophile. This catalyst have some role. Okay, we have to erase it. Okay, we take an example of the benzene with chlorine Cl2. This is chlorine and AlCl3 as a catalyst. So in this case, when this mixture means chlorine, AlCl3 and benzene are taken at this time, the AlCl3 and chlorine, they react to form AlCl4 minus and Cl plus. Okay, so in this case, when chlorine gas, Cl2 gas and catalyst AlCl3 and benzene are mixed, that time this AlCl3, which is called Lewis acid, this is called Lewis acid, AlCl3, which is acting as a catalyst. So AlCl3 reacts with the chlorine to form the AlCl4 minus and Cl plus, and this is our electrophile E plus. Okay, this is our electrophile, and this is the first step of this electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. Okay, when, on benzene, electrophilic substitution reaction started with the generation of the electrophile. Okay, and this is the steps for the generation of the electrophile. Okay, Lewis acid, AlCl3 and chlorine produce AlCl4 minus and Cl plus. Cl plus is here as electrophile. Okay, so this electrophile start the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, now we see the mechanism of this electrophilic substitution. The first step of the mechanism is started with the generation of the electrophile like Cl plus, in this case of chlorination. We are taking the example of chlorination on benzene to give the example or to show the electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. To show the electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene, we take the halogenation reaction on benzene or chlorination reaction on benzene. So in this case, we discuss about this thing that the electrophile Cl plus is produced after the reaction of AlCl3 and Cl2. Okay, this Cl plus is now substituted at one position of this double bond, means suppose we give double bond here. Okay, this is our benzene, and when Cl plus is attacking the benzene, when Cl plus is attacking the benzene, that time this one the initial hydrogen and this one is the Cl plus entering to the, suppose we break this covalent bond, double bond, and we write a minus charge here and a plus charge here. Okay, after breaking this covalent bond, if we write the plus charge is here and minus charge is here, and this minus charge is substituted, means in the minus charge position carbon is substituted by this Cl plus ion, and Cl plus ion substitute this position, and the other position is carrying a positive charge, this carbon atom carrying a positive charge. So this one is the second step of the electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. Electrophile development is the first step, and after the development of the electrophile, in the second step, electrophile attack to the benzene ring and formation of, this is the intermediate carbocation. this one is the formation of intermediate carbocation is formed when benzene in presence of attacking Cl plus means electrophile, it produce this intermediate. This is the rate determining step, this is the RDS of the reaction, rate determining step, and this is the slow step of the reaction. This occur, this is the slow step of the slowest step of the reaction and rate determining step of the reaction, and in this time the electrophile attack to the benzene ring to form the intermediate carbocation, and this intermediate carbocation is called the sigma complex. Okay, this intermediate carbocation is called sigma complex. Okay, so we discuss about the resonance stabilization. Next step we discuss about the resonance stabilization of this intermediate carbocation. So we remember that what we are doing, at first we develop the electrophile using the reaction of the Lewis acid as a catalyst and chlorine to form the electrophile Cl plus, and Cl plus attack to the benzene ring to form the intermediate carbocation. Now we see the resonance stabilization of this intermediate carbocation, and after that we will discuss about the next step of the reaction, third step. In this case this bond is shifting here, delocalized bond, you know, and pi bond delocalized in nature, therefore this bond is shifted to this position and this carbon is getting a plus charge. This one is formed, and after that when this double bond is shifted to this position, the next form is next form is this one is formed. This is above the plane. I am showing that this bond of the carbon and chlorine is above the plane and this bond is below the plane. Okay, these are just at right angle to each other, these two bonds, carbon hydrogen bond and carbon chlorine bond. Okay, so these three are called the resonance structures of this carbocation intermediate. Okay, these three resonance structures are formed here when this carbocation intermediates form these three resonating structures. Look at these three resonating structures here. So see these resonating structures of these three carbocations. After that we draw the resonance hybrid structure for this carbocation. The resonance hybrid structure for this carbocation is like this one plus charge, hydrogen, and this one is chlorine. This is called resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid and also called sigma complex. This carbocation intermediate is called sigma complex or Wheeland intermediate. You can call it Wheeland intermediate. This carbocation means this one resonance stabilized carbocation is called sigma complex. Okay, sigma complex is formed and these are the resonating structures of the carbocation, the intermediate carbocation, and you can number it as like 1, 2 and 3, or it is forming first, so you can number it as 1 here and 2 here and 3 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 resonating structures are formed here, and resonating structures, and these one is the resonance hybrid of these resonating structures. It is called sigma complex or Wheeland intermediate is its name, WHELAND, Wheeland intermediate. So in this way the reaction intermediate or carbocation, this is also called arenium ion. Okay, this is also called arenium ion. Okay, arenium ion, this one arenium ion or intermediate carbocation, which is called arenium ion, and sigma complex Wheeland intermediate have same name. Okay, same, this structure is called sigma complex arenium ion Wheeland intermediate. Okay, so after this formation of this carbocation intermediate, the next step is the loss of proton and regaining the aromaticity. Okay, after this structure of resonance, after these resonance structures, okay, this one is called the carbocation, intermediate carbocation. Okay, we start from the hybrid, resonance hybrid carbocation. This is the resonance hybrid of this carbocation, and from this resonance hybrid the next step we see, the next step, the removal of the H, this hydrogen is removed. And one thing you have to notice that I am writing this bond as the dotted line and this is for bold line. It doesn't matter that you represent it in different way, it does no matter. Suppose you write it as like this and as like this, both are correct. I am just showing it that this bond is above the plane and this bond is below the plane of paper, but you can do it this structure like this structure, both structure are same and representing same, so does not have any problem. Okay, so I am trying to remove the confusion that some students get after showing this structure. This structure have no difficulty to see. You can think it as plain covalent bond. You can think it as a plain covalent bond here, no problem. You can think it as plain covalent bond here, no problem. Okay, so in this step, this is the last step of the electrophilic substitution on benzene. This is the last step. Okay, in this last step what will happen, the AlCl4 minus, which was formed initially, okay, after removing the Cl plus or electrophile, this one now this carbon hydrogen bond will be broken and benzene ring now regain its aromatic character, because its aromatic character was lost initially, and right now this carbon hydrogen, which is a strong bond, is broken due to the gaining of aromaticity. This carbon hydrogen bond is broken here due to regain of aromaticity, and this hydrogen is now combining or removing from this carbocation intermediate. So our next structures like this Cl, which is called chlorobenzene, and AlCl3 and HCl. Okay, these are the end product of these reactions after removal of this hydrogen from this carbocation intermediate, a HCl is formed and AlCl4 minus is converting to AlCl3, and this is the end of the reactions. In the case of electrophilic substitution on benzene, in this case this chlorobenzene, for the electrophilic substitution on the benzene ring, for chlorination of the benzene ring, this chlorobenzene is formed, and with the regaining of aromaticity, okay, this carbon hydrogen bonds is broken here due to regain the aromatic character. Now the aromatic character is achieved by this carbocation intermediate. So this chlorobenzene is formed. This is the last step of this mechanism of electrophilic substitution on benzene ring or electrophilic attack on benzene ring. So we totally discuss about the electrophilic attack on benzene ring. What happens at first, the generation of the electrophile occurs, and in the next step this electrophile attack to the benzene ring to form a stable carbocation intermediate. The carbocation intermediate, the positive charge of this carbocation intermediate shared over the other 5 carbon atoms of this benzene ring. This positive charge shared over other 5 carbon atoms of this benzene ring, and it is called a sigma complex or Wheeland intermediate. Wheeland intermediate is formed, and after the Wheeland intermediate formation, in the next step the removal of proton takes place from this carbocation, and after removing this proton the chlorobenzene or the substituted product is formed. So we are taking an example of the electrophilic substitution on benzene as chlorination of benzene. In this similar mechanism, other electrophilic substitution, you can take the nitration on benzene, you can take the bromination on benzene, you can take the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation on benzene. Both are all are taking place using this same mechanism, same electrophilic substitution mechanism. And right now at last we discuss about what is the pi complex. Okay, we already know that what is sigma complex. Sigma complex is this one, and this is also called Wheeland intermediate, and the pi complex is at first when this benzene is interacting, this pi orbitals of the benzene is interacting with the electrophile E plus. With the electrophile E plus, the interaction between the pi orbital of the benzene and the E plus electrophile is called pi complex. This is called pi complex, which is called the interaction between the p orbitals, unhybridized p orbitals with the electrophile E plus is called pi complex. Okay, it is the interaction between the unhybridized p orbital these are the pi orbital and the electrophile, the incoming electrophile or the electrophile present in the reaction mixture. This is called pi complex, and this one is sigma complex, which is a reaction intermediate or the carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate, because carbon is here positive charge bearing carbon, so carbocation intermediate is called sigma complex, and Wheeland intermediate, and this one is pi complex. So this is the total discussion about the electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene, how the benzene is substituting the electrophile, the full process of mechanism I discussed in this video. And I think you understand this topic well, and if you have any problems, any questions regarding this topic, then you can write in the comment section below. I would happy to answer your problem. And one point you have to note that if you liked this video, then you can give a like to this video, and if you want to watch this type of more videos, then you can follow the channel playlist that I made already in this channel, and from that playlist you can watch various kinds of videos. So thank you for watching these discussions.